Everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will be telling you about the Reliance Communication. As we know, the share price has increased by more than 300% in last 6 months. So today we'll discuss it about what are their current status, what are their current business and future plans. As you can see in the chart, the share price has increased by more than 300%. But you know that the Reliance is not in a good profit making firm. So we'll discuss about in this video. So as you know that the Reliance has 1.5 lakh of market capitalization. 1.5 lakh crore was a very big when it started. The market capitalization very big, but as soon as the markets started declining, Reliance Jio has come, where all the telecom companies were facing issues. The ARCOM has drastically declined and has come into a loss making company. So when the Reliance was making good amount of profit and good amount of business, as the market capitalization is 1.5 lakh crores, what they did is they secured loans. They took secured plus unsecured loans to increase the business. Those who don't know what is secured loans are those when taken with banks or investors, they keep collateral things, example properties and all, while unsecured loans are given without keeping something as collateral. Reliance have taken secured loans as well as unsecured loans. So when the companies started and making losses, they're not surviving, then what they did is they apply for insolvency. So in that case, the unsecured loans, those who have given to the Reliance, are not able to recover their money, while those who have secured loans, those who have given secured loans to Reliance, ARCOM. So what they did is they started taking out the money by selling their assets. Somewhere the ARCOM chairman has given their personal guarantees. So this is the thing is going on there. So when the bid was going on for the sale of their properties, a lot of companies have applied for this. One of them is Jio and UV Assets. So that was around 23,000 crore of debt was there, which they have recovered, but total amount was 57,000 crores of debt on ARCOM. So some unsecured loans want to be able to recover their, meanwhile secured had recovered some amount of money but not full. So as you know that the ARCOM has given loans from a different Chinese bank also, which Reliance ARCOM did not able to pay the money. So what they did is they have applied some in the UK court for the recovery of the money, which they have won, and ARCOM has to pay some amount of money, but the Anil Ambani was not able to give her the money. So as you know that Ericsson has also filed a case against ARCOM, which they have won, and the ARCOM has to pay 462 crores of rupees to the Ericsson. As you can see in the picture, October to December 2019, the losses that Reliance Infrastructure, Reliance Com Reliance Infratel and Global Cloud Exchange has made a loss of 10610 crore. So this is how what the Reliance was going on. Reliance RCom company was going on. But you know that Ruchi Soya Industry, which is acquired by Patanjali for 1150 crores, while Reliance Industries Limited acquired Alok Industries. This is what was going on in Reliance RCom. So the price have increased. Now I think the Reliance RCom is on the winding up situations. And if you want more videos on different companies, please like this video, subscribe, and press the bell icon if you want to see my new videos on different companies and option trading strategies. Thank you.